Hello friends, welcome to Curry TV. Today we're going to make pumpkin flour egg stir fry. So don't be surprised. I'm going to show you every step of the way how to make this. I'm just going to take you back about 20 years where I lived with my aunt, and she used to make a curry out of anything and everything. All right, so this is one of her recipes, and this is dedicated to all of those ladies who can make the kitchen rolling with nothing in hand. I mean, seriously, they can, if you have wheat, they will make a curry out of it. That's kind of thing that I'm going to show. Nowadays, you won't be able to relate to it, but if you live along with me, you'll be able to follow along. So let's take a look at all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We need coconut oil, shallots, garlic, green chilies, fresh grated coconut, curry leaves, of course. To season all this, we need salt. So I'm using Himalayan salt here, mustard, turmeric powder, and this is our hero, which is pumpkin flowers. This is used for garnishing. This is it's so full of nutrition, especially during summer or spring when they start to bloom. It's really, really good for you. So this is a seasonal item. I don't expect everybody to have this on hand, but in case if you come across, you want to know how to make your recipe, this is something that you can rely on. And then I'm going to be using 2 eggs as well. So we need a good pan that you can actually maintain the heat. So I'm using a cast iron pan here. So first and foremost, we're going to heat our oil with coconut oil, and we're going to let our mustard do its mustard dance. Once the pan is nice and hot, I'm using a tablespoon or so of coconut oil. Into that, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of our mustard seeds. In the meantime, while our mustard is doing its dance, we're going to crack open 2 eggs. Beat it a bit, and that's ready to go. We're going to lower our heat, and our mustard started dancing in its oil. So we're going to add all of this is 2 cloves of garlic that I finely minced, along with 2 medium-sized shallots and 3 green chilies that I've chopped up. We're going to saute all this together. We're going to lower our flame. While that is sauteing, we're going to use, this is our beaten up egg. We're just going to take all these flowers and cut the ends of this. Our veggies are all sauteed well. We're going to just shred our flowers into pieces. It doesn't take a long time to cook these, but if you ever come across these flowers, don't throw them away. They can be delicious a meal, so, and colorful one too. The only thing is, it doesn't sit long in the fridge, so as soon as you get them, you gotta make it. So I just got it today, and I'm making it today itself. Into our sauteed garlic, green chilies, and shallots, we're going to pour in our egg. We're going to saute this for a couple of minutes. Make this into a scrambled eggs. Once you start to see that scrambled egg form, you're going to start with your pumpkin flour. It's so full of nutrition, full of flavor. So don't waste any time. Okay, this is perfect consistency to add our pumpkin flour. Let's mix all of this together. Beautiful. Now to give volume to this curry, we're going to add half cup of shredded grated coconut and about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, making this into a curry. All of this is in. We're going to season this with some salt along with some fresh curry leaves towards the end. At least that's what I've seen her do. So I'm just going to follow her footsteps and add all of that in. She's one of my inspirations to cook authentic Kerala style with whatever you have on hand. She used to make the most soft vattayappams ever with just a few ingredients, and she's able to pull it off just like that. And she's my aunt. I proudly can say that she is one of my inspiration in my life, especially in cooking. So I really admire her and their way of living with what you got. Okay, so our dish is coming somewhat close. Okay, very good. That's what she would say. I love her recipe as it is, so I'm just following it exactly what she told me over the phone. So, Koratama, this is for you. My dish is done. Turning off my stove, and let's serve and have a blast. So dear friends, this is an authentic Kerala style mattanga flour, which is pumpkin flour stir fry with eggs. You can opt out of eggs if you wish to. It just will be whoosh, that much. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us, and we surely did. I hope you will follow us along, and please, when you make this next time, even if it is about $10-15 for that box of flowers, try it out, and I'll see you next time on Curry TV. Thank you guys.